Hello everybody, welcome to the Eisenhower Tunnel. Today we are going to take a behind the scenes look at some of the maintenance and operations up here at the iconic Eisenhower Tunnel. We get a quick westbound hold to the place. Okay, we're good.
For Colorado, this is a main thoroughfare. We get probably 12, 13 million cars that travel through this tunnel every year. Most of these people don't understand the actual infrastructure that is involved with the tunnel itself. There's more than just driving through the tunnel. Here up at Eisenhower, it does function like a small city.
The facility that we currently start in is our fire brigade. And this is our new fire truck that we use to respond to basically all fires inside the tunnel and about 5 miles on either side of the tunnel as well. Next up, we're gonna go upstairs and check out the fans. Now we are currently located on what we call the fan deck. This is where all of our fans are located. So we have a total of 27 fans inside the tunnel. They're capable of emitting hurricane force winds inside the tunnel. We've had multiple incidents where we see our CO spike from vehicles that are coming through, and within 20, 30 minutes, we can get that back down to a normal rating. That's how powerful these fans actually are here. We are now currently located in one of our supply air ducts. What you're hearing is the live traffic under us. So we're actually standing directly over the eastbound lanes of traffic. So this is where the fans that pull the air from the outside of the facility will then blow air through here, down through these vents here, down into the tunnel. So not only do we actually run the air through this, but we run a lot of our water lines, a lot of our electrical lines also through here.
Here up at Eisenhower, we do have our own wastewater treatment plant. We run our own electrical facilities up here as well.
So now we are standing in our east side electrical room. And this is basically where all of our power is stored and maintained and distributed from. Everything in here is what powers all of our stuff. So welcome to the new control room. This new wall that we utilize here is actually the same kind of wall that they use at Mile High. We're basically monitoring for any overheight vehicles, any downed vehicles inside the tunnel, or any other safety sensitive issues that are happening within the tunnel or just outside of the tunnel.
Inside of our control room, that's really the heart and soul of our operations up here. That's what keeps the tunnel open. That's what closes it when we need to.
One thing about working up here, it takes a certain kind of dedication to come up here and plan on working. Majority of what we do is day-to-day operations at the tunnel, which a lot of times is emergency assistance. There's always something that possibly comes up where we rely on each other no matter what. If we don't do that, then the tunnel potentially closes.
So there's a lot of stuff that a lot of people don't see that goes on up here. People think that just driving through the tunnel is just another 1.7 miles that they're driving. But for us, this is maintaining roadway. This is keeping the roadway open. This is keeping the traveling public moving.